We've all done this before. I'm going to show you guys how to fix it today. My name is Sherlyn, and welcome back to another Peppi tutorial. Let's go! So let's get started. Let's go and fix our nail. We're going to start with our number 1. We're going to need our Peppi brush, our Peppi nail clippers, our buffer, some clear, and if you're nail obsessed like me or already have this at home, you'll need some nail tips. So first we're going to pick out a nail tip that fits your nail. So just go ahead and size them out to your nail. So just grab the tips and try to measure it out to your nail. See which one fits you best. So once you find one that fits you, go ahead and put that to the side. And thank God this process is an easy process because I break my nails almost every week. I broke my nail this week by just wiping down the copy machine. It's something so simple. All right, so to start, we'll grab the number 1. And we'll just go ahead and apply that to your nail. Just a very thin layer at the tip of your nail. Just enough to glue down that tip. So grab your tip and just position it on. And you want to make sure you hold down the tip for just a few seconds just to make sure it glues on properly and just stays on there. Alright, so now it's on. So just wait for it to dry a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and clip the nail down to your desired length and also buff it. So I'm just going to wait a few more seconds just to make sure the number 1's completely dry so we don't pop off the nail. So, okay, so that should be good. So I'll grab my nail clipper and I'll just cut it down. So, and don't worry, you can still cut it down or file it down more later. This is just a rough estimate of how you want it. Okay, so now that I cut that down, I'm just going to buff it just to kind of blend it in more with your natural nail and just so the clear will stick better on it, like your dip powder. So just give it a rougher surface. Okay, so now it's buff. So now we're going to grab number 1 again. And I'm just going to go over all over my nail and the nail tip, so all the way to your cuticle line. So just a very thin layer, don't have to be too much. Okay. And now you're going to go ahead and grab your clear. And just dip your nail in there. And there you go. Now you have your tip on. Alright, so that's how you do it. So then you just go ahead and apply your normal color however you'd like, but this is how you do your tip, and you can just buff and file and shape it later and cut it down shorter if you want, but this is up to you from here. So this is another Peppi tutorial. My name is Sherlyn. Bye!